Alright, we're starting our tour at the Shag plesiosaur, which is the biggest fossil in New Zealand. It was found in 1983 by an amateur paleontologist at Shag Point, which is just a little bit north of Dunedin, and it's been dated to about 74 million years ago. Plesiosaurs were marine reptiles that swam in the ocean at the same time as dinosaurs roamed the land. Plesiosaurs were around from about 200 million years ago up until 65 million years ago, which is when we had the mass extinction event that killed off the dinosaurs and the majority of creatures on Earth. Plesiosaurs could range from about 1.5 meters long up to about 15 meters long. This is a mid-sized plesiosaur at about 6.5 meters long. If we come up here and have a closer look at the plesiosaur's skull, we can see how it's adapted to its environment. We can see big eye sockets. Plesiosaurs had big forward-facing eyes to help it hunt deep in the ocean where there wasn't much light. We can see lots of small sharp teeth, which were good for grasping and piercing soft-bodied creatures like fish and squid. And actually, when this plesiosaur was discovered, a new genus of plesiosaur was discovered, and it was given the name Kaifekia, which means squid eater. As we go down the plesiosaur, we can see a long neck, quite a short, broad body, and 4 big flipper-like limbs to help it swim. So, next time you come to Otago Museum, make sure you pop up to Sutherland Southern People and see the biggest fossil in New Zealand, the Shag plesiosaur.